Case analysis. N. Ranga Rao and Sons vs. Anil Garg and Oz. 2006, 32, PTC 15, Del. Citation asterisk. 2006, 32, PTC 15, Del. 128, 2006, DLT 649 asterisk court asterisk. Delhi High Court asterisk bench asterisk. Single judge. Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul asterisk date of decision asterisk. December 2, 2005 case no. CS, OS, no. 860 of 2004. Background plaintiff asterisk. N. Ranga Rao and Sons, a registered partnership firm, is a leading manufacturer of incense sticks, agarbattis, in India, selling products under various trademarks, including LIA, Sandalam and Chandanam, Parampara, Indian Bride, PEHCHAN, and Cycle brand agarbattis. Defendant asterisk. Anil Garg and others, who were selling incense sticks under the mark, Dear, in cartons allegedly identical or deceptively similar to the plaintiff's, Lear, cartons. Issue asterisk. The plaintiff claimed trademark infringement and passing off due to the defendant's use of a similar trade dress, specifically the packaging of their, Dear, incense sticks, which allegedly mimic the color scheme, layout, and overall get-up of the plaintiff's, Lear, cartons. The plaintiff sought an injunction to restrain the defendant from using the, Dear, mark and similar trade dress. Facts. The plaintiff had a well-established business in incense sticks, operating across India, including Delhi. The plaintiff's, Lear, brand was packaged in cartons with a distinctive color scheme, lettering style, and design, which they claimed had acquired significant goodwill and reputation. The defendant's, Dear, product used packaging that the plaintiff argued was visually similar, causing confusion among consumers, particularly in very gullible customers. At the initial stage of the suit, the court granted interim relief to the plaintiff, appointing local commissioners to investigate and submit reports on the defendant's products. Web links. The plaintiff relied on the overall visual impression of the packaging, including color scheme, arrangement of lettering, and trade dress, to argue deceptive similarity. Legal issues asterisk 1. Trademark infringement asterisk. Whether the defendant's, Dear, mark and packaging were deceptively similar to the plaintiff's, Lear, mark and trade dress, violating the plaintiff's trademark rights. 2. Passing off asterisk. Whether the defendant's use of similar packaging constituted passing off by misrepresenting their goods as those of the plaintiff. 3. Trade dress protection asterisk. Whether the plaintiff's, Lear, packaging, including its color scheme and design, was protectable as trade dress under trademark law. 4. Comparative advertising, disparagement asterisk. While not directly addressed, the case indirectly touches on the principle of unfair competition through deceptive similarity in trade dress. Court's findings and reasoning asterisk 1. Deceptive similarity asterisk. The court applied the principle from Pali Products, P. Limited. V. JP & Co. Mysore, PTC, Sapal, 1, 346, SC, which states that if the overall visual impression of a product's packaging, color scheme, lettering, shape, etc. causes confusion as to the source or origin of the goods, it amounts to trademark infringement and passing off. Web links. The court found that the defendant's, Dear, packaging was deceptively similar to the plaintiff's, Lear, packaging, particularly due to the similar color scheme, arrangement, and overall get-up, which could confuse unwary consumers. The addition of the word, lotus, to the defendant's mark, forming, Lotus Dear, was deemed insufficient to distinguish it from, LIA, as the overall impression remained confusingly similar. 2. Trade dress protection asterisk. The court recognized the plaintiff's, Lear, packaging as protectable trade dress, emphasizing that the distinctive combination of colors, layout, and design had acquired secondary meaning, linking it to the plaintiff's brand in the minds of consumers. Citing Colgate Palmolive Company vs. Anchor Health and Beauty Care Private Limited. 2003, 27, PTC 478, Del. The court noted that trade dress elements like color scheme and lettering style are significant in determining deceptive similarity. Web links. 3. Passing off asterisk. The court held that the defendant's actions constituted passing off, as the similar packaging was likely to mislead consumers into believing that, Dear, was associated with or originated from the plaintiff's, Lear, brand. The court emphasized the harm to the plaintiff's goodwill and reputation due to the defendant's deceptive packaging. 4. Defendant's arguments asterisk. The defendant argued that their mark was a composite mark, Lotus Dear, and not merely, DIA, and thus distinct from Lear. They also claimed that the packaging differences were sufficient to avoid confusion. The court rejected this, relying on cases like Bharat Hotels Limited versus Unison Hotels Limited, 2004, 28, PTC 404, Dell, and Sunstar Lubricants Limited versus Federal Chemicals Industries, 1996 volts at Delhi, 594, which held that the overall impact of the mark and trade dress must be considered, not just isolated elements. Web links. 5. Injunction granted asterisk. The court granted a permanent injunction restraining the defendant from using the Deere mark or any packaging deceptively similar to the plaintiff's Lear cartons. The decision was based on the likelihood of consumer confusion and the plaintiff's established reputation in the market. Key legal principles: trade dress and color combinations asterisk. The case reinforced that trade dress, including distinctive color schemes and packaging designs, can be protected under trademark law if it is non-functional and has acquired distinctiveness or secondary meaning. Deceptive similarity asterisk. The overall visual impression of a product's trade dress, rather than individual elements, determines deceptive similarity. This is particularly relevant for unwary or gullible consumers. Passing off asterisk. The court emphasized that passing off occurs when a defendant's actions cause confusion about the source of goods, damaging the plaintiff's goodwill. Comparative advertising context asterisk. Although not directly about comparative advertising, the case highlights the broader principle of unfair competition, where mimicking trade dress to gain an advantage is actionable. Significance. The case underscores the importance of protecting trade dress in industries where visual packaging plays a critical role in consumer recognition, such as consumer goods like incense sticks. It clarifies that minor differences in trademarks, e.g., adding Lotus to Deere, do not necessarily eliminate the risk of infringement or passing off if the overall impression remains deceptively similar. The ruling aligns with precedents like Colgate-Palmolive and Parle products, emphasizing the holistic assessment of trade dress for infringement and passing off claims. Practical implications. Businesses asterisk. Companies must ensure their packaging is distinctive and avoid mimicking competitors' trade dress to prevent legal action for infringement or passing off. Legal strategy asterisk. Plaintiffs must demonstrate reputation, misrepresentation, and potential damage to succeed in trade dress and passing off cases. Defendants should focus on proving distinctiveness or lack of consumer confusion. Consumer protection asterisk. The case highlights the court's role in protecting consumers from deceptive practices that exploit similar trade dress, especially for everyday products. If you need further details, such as specific arguments, procedural history, or related case comparisons, please let me know. Web links: ws.com, case, N. Ranga Rao and Sons vs Anil Garg and Oz.